Today we're going to talk a little bit about a bankruptcy trustee. In both Chapter 7 and Chapter 13, a trustee is appointed to look over your case. The Chapter 7 trustee is appointed to conduct a meeting. It's called a 341 meeting, or a meeting of creditors. Generally, no creditor will show up other than to check to see if you have insurance on your motor vehicle. The Chapter 7 trustee will generally ask you, have you read over your papers? Are they accurate? Do you have anything to add? The Chapter 7 trustee will continue to remind you that if anybody passes away within 6 months of you filing your petition, that becomes property of the estate. They'll ask you about any transfers of real estate within the last 2 to 6 years, or any transfers of other property. Generally, the Chapter 7 trustee is paid to conduct the meeting and to verify to the court that your papers are accurate. Most cases, around 95%, are no asset cases. Once in a while, a Chapter 7 trustee will find an asset. For example, if you're in a car wreck and you're entitled to a large claim, you're only allowed to keep $7,500 per person. If there's a significant amount of money, the Chapter 7 trustee will recover that money and pay it pro rata to your creditors. The Chapter 7 trustee by law has got to pay any support obligations first. Secondly, any tax obligations, generally taxes that have been run up in the last 3 years, and then all unsecured creditors. A Chapter 13 trustee is appointed for all Chapter 13 cases. The job of the standing Chapter 13 trustee is to review your Chapter 13 plan and recommend it for confirmation to the bankruptcy judge. The Chapter 13 trustee also collects all the money paid in and distributes the monies paid out under your plan. The Chapter 13 trustee keeps a website so you as the debtor can look at all the payments received and all the money paid out. Generally, the Chapter 13 trustee will pay according to a formula with paying secured creditors, tax obligations, support obligations, attorney fees in front of unsecured creditors. The Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 trustees are all independent contractors, but they are appointed by the United States trustee system. They're bonded, licensed, and I can assure you any monies or funds that they are handling are extremely safe. They are subject to audit by private auditors and the United States Department of Justice. So a trustee is just nothing to be afraid of, just part of the system. Thank you.